Welcome to week 6 of your 40-week pregnancy journey. While the reality of pregnancy may still be sinking in, your body and your baby are changing quickly. At week 6, more of your baby's organs are starting to form and you may be beginning to feel the full force of your pregnancy hormones. Your baby's development at week 6. At 6 weeks, your baby has a crown rump length of approximately 5 millimeters, almost 1/4 of an inch. That's about the size of a grain of a rice. Your embryo doesn't look much like a baby yet, but there is a lot going on inside that tiny early life. Although your baby's heart is still developing, it's the first organ to function. During week 6, the little heart begins to beat. The neural tube goes on to become your baby's brain and spinal cord. Your embryo has an optic ventricle which will later form the eyes. Limb buds that will become the arms and the legs are sprouting. The digestive, reproductive and urinary systems are in the very early stage of development. Your common symptoms this week. Pregnancy symptoms are unpredictable. They may be really strong for some, but mild or not too noticeable for others. They may stick around the entire day, or they may come and go. They can definitely be a source of worry. So, if you have questions or concerns about symptoms, it's okay to call your doctor. Some of the common symptoms this week are: number 1, fatigue. Fatigue is a normal part of early pregnancy. Pregnancy hormones, especially progesterone, can make you feel tired. Your body is also working hard, adjusting to all the physical and emotional changes that pregnancy brings. Number 2, morning sickness. Up to 80% of pregnant women have first trimester nausea and vomiting. That's queasy. Sick to your stomach feeling may be dubbed morning sickness, but for many, it's really all-day sickness, since it can hit at any time of the day, including in the middle of the night. Number 3, frequent urination. Nausea and vomiting aren't the only things causing you to run to the bathroom. During pregnancy, the amount of blood pumped by the heart each minute increases by 30 to 50%. As the amount of blood and fluid flowing through your body increases, your kidneys begins to work more efficiently, leading to more urination. So here are some self-care tips during this week. Just as different people experience different pregnancy symptoms, they handle them differently as well. You may have to try a few things before you find out what works for you the best. Number 1, dealing with fatigue. Going to bed a little early at night, going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, avoiding caffeine, getting a little exercise, eating nutritious meals and snacks during the day. Number 2, dealing with frequent urination. If you are frequently using the bathroom to urinate, that's a good news. You are likely getting enough water, and staying hydrated is vital for your health and the health of your developing baby. So here are some tips to deal with frequent urination. Don't hold it on. Go when you have to go. Try to empty your bladder fully by leaning forward while you pee. Don't limit your fluids to try to go less often. Likewise, if you are not urinating more than usual, this could be a sign that you may need more fluids. So, here are some tips that you need to get more fluids. Aim for at least 10 to 12 glasses of water a day. Drink to quench your thirst. Increase fluids if you are exercising or it's hot weather outside. Number 3, dealing with nausea. To keep nausea and vomiting away, you must try some tips. Eat small, frequent snacks throughout the day instead of 3 big meals. Nibble on bland soda crackers about 15 minutes before getting out of bed. Avoid warm places, as being hot tends to increase feeling of nausea. Don't lie down immediately after eating. So in the nutshell, here is your week 6 checklist. Continue taking prenatal vitamins. Get some extra rest. Stay hydrated by drinking 10 to 12 glasses of water each day. Be prepared to combat nausea. Start a pregnancy journal or notebook. Go to your first prenatal visit or make and prepare for your upcoming appointment. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel The Voice of Woman and press the bell icon to stay tuned for the latest updates.